My name is Robert Green Sands. I'm the executive director of Pamela Rose Institute. I'm also the program director for our Public Health AmeriCorps program. I've lived in Washington, North Carolina since 2016. As you move east in the county and you get closer to the Pamlico Sound, it gets sparse in population, and there's not a lot of fresh vegetables available for people who live in small towns in the eastern part of the county. It can be described as a food desert. And so we came up with this idea of community gardens, which we call wellness gardens, serving underrepresented populations.
It's hard to find jobs here that are not like minimum wage paying jobs. So that leaves people with just buying the cheapest food possible. So I feel like us having the gardens helps people get the free food they need to stay healthy.
The community gardens have been a tremendous benefit to our community, and we want to continue to see that program thrive and grow in the years ahead. Beaufort County Community College does serve as a site for one of the community gardens, and each week the AmeriCorps members will come out and pick the fresh produce. Within Beaufort County, there are families that are facing food insecurities, and community gardens are the only way that they can have access to fresh vegetables. Pamlico Rose and AmeriCorps has made that happen.
We have developed this really neat team of diversified talents to be able to pull something like this off.
The opportunity just sounded very interesting, unlike any job I've ever had. I went from just driving in my car all day, delivering cookies, to now I'm working outside and growing stuff.
I learned a little bit about different alternative agriculture when I went to college, but I learned way more about it here. I've learned how to build raised beds, like sun shelters, everything. I've constructed 2 greenhouses since I worked here, so all of the things I've learned while I've been with AmeriCorps will go with me for the rest of my life.
Well, I'm the old guy on the crew by a good shot, and working with youngsters is exciting, actually. I mean, I love it. They're really eager to learn, and then watching them develop, that's exciting.
I feel like I've learned how to use so many more tools. Like apart from the working in the ground and stuff, I feel like I'm putting a lot of tools in my tool belt of life.
It's fulfilling, it's hard work, but I get to help the community.
We want the garden that develops and produces beyond just the vegetables. We want to make it a learning center for people to come and learn. We want to make it a social setting for people to come and interact. People are realizing what that garden means to the college. It means food, but it means a place to go. It means wellness.